Gopal Krishnan, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
You are a chief design engineer.
In
Yeah. Can you share me that something within very short span? What are the benefited you have got
yeah,
by participating in this event?
yeah, I will tell you. See, we are actually the plant manufacturer. We are actually the plant manufacturers, and also we are. Our role is the EPC contractor. Uh, our maximum crane handling whatever the cranes we handle is around the maximum 20 tons. Around that's all. That is actually maximum to
Yeah, yeah,
us. We have our limited knowledge on the crane selections as well
yeah,
because it's not our routine item.
yeah.
Wherever the requirement, we used to provide these cranes or else only the hoist and chain pulley blocks. That's all. So here in this presentation, once I gone through every technicality which is explained by your colleagues, we can understand very well about the cranes, and then the special features like auxiliary hoisters and all.
Yeah,
Today only I come to know.
yeah.
We like to enlarge our relationship. Actually,
Surely,
in our
surely.
company, we ordered, I think, we work together, I think, in 10 projects around,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hope. So we wanted to enlarge our relationship
Surely,
further.
surely, sir.
It is nice to interact with you people.
Anything you
Thank you.
want to tell something about how we can grow or honest feedback
Yeah,
in one line?
practically speaking, being a mechanical engineer, while I'm selecting the cranes, especially I'm having some technical queries, how to select, how to suitable to my applications. I used to search the Google only, or some of my seniors. Now, by this presentation, you people are elaborate your hands to as a, like a consultancy,
Yeah,
friendly support natures and all, so that I can use of it whenever I have the technical queries. I can get in
surely,
touch with
surely, sir.
you to
Surely,
select the
sir.
right product.
Surely, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gopal, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.